Welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Then we are going to start a video. Please watch the full video. Do not skip. Open the pixel app. Select a sticker. Adjust the sticker. Select another sticker. Duplicate the sticker. Change the color of sticker. Change the background color. Adjust the color. Then select the stroke. Adjust the color. Select the shadow. Adjust the shape. Emboss button. Light angle. Then select the text edit. Beretta. Adjust the letter. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.